Your recipe for experiencing harmony in the Corona chaos. This year started out with promise and then turned into the opposite, stressful. Most of us are used to some chaos, but when it gets, really chaotic, how can we cope? Here's your recipe for finding harmony in the midst of the chaos. 5 simple ingredients that you can do from home. Wisdom, reflecting on your knowledge and your experiences. Consider how your ancestors coped with their lives. Today, choose finding your own wisdom to help you cope. Try pondering about how you're managing and then write it down. Empowerment, that sense of accomplishment by completing a task. It allows more energy for taking care of you. Many little goals equal a milestone. Today, choose to feel empowered. Get that workout in or make that healthier meal. Expression. Remember that heart-to-heart talk you had and how it nourished your soul? Today, choose to focus on empathetic listening. Try hearing beyond the words. Creativity. Making something unique to you. Creation and recreation is literally part of your DNA. Today, choose to experience life with more spontaneity. Try whistling while you work or making up a new game. Inspiration, the essence of true joy and healing. Today, choose to have moments of stillness that allow you to inhale joy into your soul. Try a moving meditation like yoga or Tai Chi. Experience harmony in the middle of this chaos by sharing your new insights with your own social circle, even from a distance. To your harmony.